Introducing the Achromatic RCA and Z-Plug from Atlas. The Achromatic plugs are designed to create a high-performance starting point for Atlas coaxial RCA cables and factory-terminated loudspeaker cables. The Achromatic incorporates Atlas's leading solderless, cold weld fitted with 100% calibrated tooled connection on both signal and return conductors. Atlas have also upgraded the body material to high stability ABS for strong, stable, superlative surface quality. Let's take a look at the two plugs in detail. The Achromatic RCA has improved rifling on the RCA pin to improve self-alignment of the conductor during the cold weld crimping process, and enhance plug connect geometry to aid the contact properties of self-cleaning wiping action. The Achromatic Z has a higher quality contact resistance by improving the compliance of the beryllium copper contact leaves. The plug mass has also been reduced by 35%. The Achromatic RCA and Z plugs can be used with the Element, Equator Hyper and ELSA range from Atlas. Transform your listening experience today. Now available at Future Shop.